Sure. Hey, good evening, Ken Tortoise Capital Nightly Strategy Podcast for June 24th, 2024. We'll start with the sniper trade of the day. George, can you hear me okay? Mic check. Okay. All right. So this is uranium 10-minute chart. We have stand by. Yep. The R10 peaked, crosses the RL30, crosses the PSAR and the Bollinger Band mean. VWAP has rolled over. So we get short, standard risk. It moves out nicely right away. Reverses. I accelerate that stop a little bit instead of waiting for it to come all the way up into the skin of the dragon. I just take it here after the R10 flattened out. So we get about 1R on that one. This is a kata 2 to the downside. Why? Well, because we have the R10 looks like this. We get the R10 crossing the dragon. This is where the collapsing dragon would be. But we take the kata 2 as soon as it comes out of the dragon. Standard risk box. Going short. Here's where the R10 reverses. So I take the exit at the skin of the dragon on 1 unit of risk. That's about 2R. This one is about 1R, so we're net 3. And that's it for the day. Uranium. This one is marijuana on the 10-minute. OR10 breakout. Half an R. Supported fall crossing for about a scratch. Kata 2 re-entry to the upside. Works about 4R to the upside. This is a good short right here because we have that rolling over and the dragon rolling over, and it hits the PSAR. So we're looking for that to get all the way back to here, but it doesn't. And then on this little start of a reversal, just don't lose money on it. Don't let it get it back above the Bollinger Band mean. Then it goes ahead and crosses the Bollinger Band mean, crosses the RL30, crosses the VWAP, crosses the Bollinger Band mean. So why not? And then it pays off. 4R. This is PBW on 10-minute. This is the OR10. Breaks out. Standard risk box. Scratches. This is front running the PSAR flip. And that one pays off for 1 unit of risk. 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 R. Supported spring crossing for 2 R. So that's about 6. This is EWZ on the 10-minute. OR3 or OR10 breakout. Scratch. PSAR flip short for 1. Supported spring crossing for 1/2. And that's about it. So about 1.5 for the day on EWZ. This is Mexico, EWW, on the 10s. There's your OR10 breakout for an R. Short when it crosses the dragon, the VWAP, the southern skin of the dragon. About 1/2 an R. And that was about it for the day. So 1.5 in EWW. And finally, the Dow. This is on 3-minute. There's your OR3 breakout for 3R. It reverses on a collapsing dragon for about 2R. Stop and reverse for 1/2 an R. So about 5R on DIA. Let's take a look at the traders. All right, this is Tim on Devon Energy. Here's yesterday's close. Here's the gap up and OR3 go. It works. He takes a standard exit at the skin of the dragon for 3.7, calls it a day. Nothing wrong with that. This is Brian Lancaster on the pound Aussie. Minus 0.6 total. He tries a short, quick exit, another reshort, quick exit. Doesn't take the oh, I'm sorry, this was a stop and reverse. He doesn't take the stop and reverse, which would have paid about 4R and 3 more R on this one. This is the gold dollar on 5s, and he gets 1.1 and then short for 0.9. So net of 2, his expectancy is up to 0.67 on 31 trades, looking really good. Hamad brings in 3.1 on this is DIA on the 10-minute. Perfect entry and perfect exit. Perfect entry, perfect exit. There it is. 3R. Brings in 0.6 on EWW, perfect entry, sticks around long enough to give it a chance, tries the reversal, and basically scratches her, maybe 0.3. Quick grinding for net of minus 0.4. Maybe the last trade. Well, that's worth a shot. George, let's see. Here's 2.2 on EWW. On the OR3 was much better than the OR10, obviously. Crushes it, and that's a great 1, 2, 3 exit. Well done. Stays out of the chop. And here's Jonathan for 2R on EWZ on the 3 minutes, OR3 breakout, perfect exit, waits for the collapsing dragon, quick scratch, quick re-entry, caught a 2, secret to sanity, 1, 2, 3 exit, nets 2R. Couldn't do it any better. Well done. He's aligned with the market when it's in the harsh winter, and he's getting it done. Nicely done. I will get the reports. They're still finishing printing. I'll get those published and posted along with the video. Really good coaching session tonight. A great coaching session yesterday. If you're in the sound of my voice and you're in cohorts 1, 2, and 3, you really need to listen to the Sunday coaching session with Hamad and Shi Wang. The keys to the kingdom were issued in that one. It was a really good session, really good follow-through session today with the boys. So all of the coaching cohorts are paying off. It's worth your consideration before the price goes up on 1 October. Take good care, and we shall see you tomorrow.